So I've got my axe sharpener. I will link this in the description. This is just kind of like a basic model. It's got 2 different grit sizes on it, but it works really well. I used it to sharpen my big axe, my splitting axe, when I first got it, and it's amazing. So all you're gonna do with this is just put it into a little bit of water. So this is gonna go first, the black side, and then the blue side. At least that's what I can remember. Okay, it is time to sharpen this axe. I've had the stone in the water soaking a little bit. So I'm just gonna take this bad boy and start with one edge and just circles. You just keep doing little circles, and then you are going to flip it over and do the exact same thing on the other side with the same grit. All right, then I'm going to flip it back over. Yeah, you're going to leave this powdery stuff that's on there, you're going to leave it on there until you're done. So now I'm going to take the stone on the blue side, and this is going to polish it and give it the final finish. And again, you're just doing the same thing. You're just little circles up and down the blade. Pretty good. Flip her over. Looks pretty sharp. Let's test it on something, eh? All right, much better. Hey guys, if you are into camping, RVs, or anything to do with the outdoors, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We release new videos every week. And if you found value from this video, please give it a thumbs up or leave a comment below. That way the YouTube algorithm will recognize that people enjoy this video and show it to other people that are looking for the same information as you. All right, we'll see you next time. Peace.